What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're doing a quick update here on Bitcoin because looking at the daily, it is absolutely insane how Bitcoin had a big, massive pump yesterday. Now, this is a scenario that we have been talking about for the last few days, where we are potentially going to come all the way up to retest this $46,000 and potentially hit $47,000 or $48,000. Looking at this chart, it is very likely it is going to happen. Now, we do have this bearish Gartley, which does take us to that range, and also this high major resistance from this channel, as you can see. So today we're analyzing the situation here on the daily, taking a look at the Bitcoin chart on the 4 hourly and what major levels have we got above us, below us, for potential bounces and potential take profit areas. Guys, let's dive in. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily today on Bitcoin crypto. Also live stream to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research, guys. Now, quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin, guys. Nothing to add here on Bitcoin. Nothing has changed just too much. We are actually on the path to hit that $46,000, above $46,000, to retest this last lower high with the channel and this potential harmonic pattern. Okay, now zooming in here on the chart, let's go back a little bit and talk about the scenario when we broke the resistance here from this very aggressive lower high, and we started to create this slightly higher low over here. And this is the moment where I was detecting this bearish Gartley and this small ascending channel, guys. So this is why I came with the potential prediction that we could come all the way up to that $46,000, $47,000 range in the next coming days. Now, we have been pumping like crazy from yesterday and also today, so we could arrive there in the next couple of days. I thought it was going to be a week or two, but yeah, it looks like we are going very fast. Now, let's analyze the situation here because like I said, we have a clear big resistance at this area. As you can see, I'm talking about the $46,000. So when you hit this major level, you do get the price usually having a reaction at that level that you're not going to slice through it, okay, like a hot knife on butter. You usually get a reaction. You could get rejected or consolidate sideways. Now, this is the thing. This is what I want to take a look at when we go to this level, how we are going to react, because I am in a long position from this because I was speculating with my patterns that we were going to hit that $46,000, $47,000 in a couple of weeks. So I am in a long position, okay, on Bybit for this swing trade. Once we reach $46,000, $47,000, I will be planning to take some profits there. My position is protected right now. Guys, if you are interested in trading in Bybit, you got the link down below. You get up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% fee discount only for experienced traders. And to make it clear, you get the best bonus and I also get a small commission. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin here on the 4 hourly, this is super important, guys, because it looks like that we have formed a kind of bump and run scenario here, looking at the 4 hourly, right, all the way from the 10th of February, where you do create these slightly higher lows over here, and then you have a big, massive sell-off. It is pretty clear that we have broken this lower high major resistance trend line. Now, if Bitcoin slows down a little bit or corrects, we have some major big levels that the bears are going to find very difficult to break down, which might be a good long opportunity. Of course, not financial advice, but by looking at the chart here, now volume is pretty impressive here to the upside. But I think just by looking at the volume profile here, we can clearly see that the biggest point of control here, I'm looking at price action from December all the way till March right now. And the biggest point of control is at that $41.7 thousand. Right over here, you can see the consolidation that we did have right there, and also the resistance that we did get here, and also this big major price action at this range. We have been pumping like crazy. Now, a lot of people might think that you want to buy, we are going to the moon. yeah, we are probably going to gain this high. Now, I do not know if we are going to get the retracement and consolidate and then get potentially a leg up at this range with a little bit of volatility, or we actually just going to continue up like this in a straight line. It is also very, very possible. It is true that the current world situation might have a good effect on Bitcoin, and we're just going to have a pretty fast move to this range. If we do get that correction, it is very, very likely, like I said, that this area should be holding very, very nicely. Now, taking a look at the fib levels from this low, it will only be round about the 38.2. As you can see, the 0.382 here, Fibonacci retracement. It will only be that range. Of course, we do like the 618. But it is true that we do have a lot of support here by looking at the VPVR from the zone traded in between December and March. As you can see, a big spike. Now, where is the next spike? Where is my target where we're potentially going to get heavily rejected? We are going to get a lot of resistance. This is that $47,000. As you can see, big spike on the VPVR, biggest spike right there from price action. Also from November all the way till March, we got these two big spikes. And we've also got this major support level. We've also got this major resistance. So it is very, very likely that you are going to gain this high. And this will be the moment that we need to analyze the situation. We need to pay close attention to see if we are going to continue up or get a very, very sharp correction. Of course, I will be updating you with the kind of price action and with the live streams, of course, guys. So make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a live stream afterwards, see if we can find some scalping opportunities. I did trade a Luna yesterday, got stopped out. It was just a small day trade, small scalp with a very, very low position. And it did get stopped out on Luna if you watched yesterday's live stream. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Check out the news here on Bitcoinsensus website. Bitcoin becomes more valuable than Russian ruble, guys. Super interesting articles posted every single day here and technical analysis ideas. Totally free information, guys. Join all the socials down below and I'll see you there and I'll see you in the next one.